Hello, everyone, and welcome to your writing assignment for Tuesday, April 14th. I'm already over here on slide 6 for you, where you will find the video for today. And today we are still talking about poetry, and we are going to be looking at acrostic poetry today. So before we get started, let's look at these directions here. It says Tuesday, April 14th. Watch the lesson video below, which you're doing right now, and then complete the next 2 Google Slides. Okay, let's jump right into slide 7, acrostic poetry. In an acrostic poem, the first, last, or other letters of each line spells a word or phrase related to your keyword. The keyword is written vertically in bold or colored letters. Try to use lots of adjectives and adverbs. Horizontal words do not always have to start with the first letter of the vertical word. You can use any letter from the word. And there's a little bit of a typo there that I'm going to fix right now. And just so you can see, there's a little circle at the bottom of the page here, and it says learn more. You are welcome to click on that. If you double click twice really fast, it will come up with a link right here, and it says how to write an acrostic poem. So you can learn more than what I'm showing you here on the slide. So the acrostic poem that we have here is called The Carousel. It says contagious, abiding charm, riding around, oblivious of all, under the carousel, smiling broad, excitement, and lasting forever. And as you can see, it spells carousel, which is really neat. You guys have probably done acrostic poems at school before. And so you're probably really good at these acrostic poems. What I want you to really focus on is trying to use lots of adjectives and adverbs, or adjectives and verbs. Remember that adjectives are describing words. So try to think of those really colorful adjectives that we talk about in class. And remember, verbs are action words. So if you look at this poem, we have writing as a verb. We have smiling as a verb. Lots of verbs, okay? Lots of verbs and adjectives. All right. So let's go on down to slide 8, because this is where you will get started with your own acrostic poem today. It says, write an acrostic poem with any word that you choose. Don't forget to be creative. Feel free to change colors, add pictures, and more. So what you are going to do is you are going to use this space here to type your own acrostic poem. You will have to delete where it says type here. So I'm going to go ahead and backspace all of that. And you can play around up here in the toolbar with all sorts of different colors and fonts even, and size if you would like. I'm going to change my text color to red for mine, and I'm going to start with an M right there. And so what I would do is I would either write a word or a sentence that started with M. I can even make the rest of my text a different color to type the rest of my sentence. Like, my house is beautiful. And my house is beautiful. I'll just put that right there. My house is beautiful. You don't have to put a period at the end of it, because this is a poem, and you don't have to use end marks in poems. Okay, and then maybe I would keep going with a word. I'm not going to do a full acrostic poem because I know you guys know how to do these, and I want you to be able to get to work right away, so I don't take up too much of your time in this video. Feel free to play around with those fonts, those colors, even pictures. If you find a way to add pictures, we'll be talking about that as the week goes on, how to change more things in Google Slides here. Have a great day, everyone.